Today in our 2007 Toyota Tacoma, we'll be looking at our best suspension enhancement options. Alright, we have 4 suspension enhancement options here today. These are all for the rear in our Toyota Tacoma. Now our Firestone airbag kit is part number F2407, and these will support up to 3,200 pounds of weight. Okay, this set of springs right here is the Timbren Suspension Enhancement System springs, part number TTORTUN4L. Now, these will support up to 3,000 pounds of additional weight. They are designed for vehicles that have 3 leaf springs on each side in the rear suspension. They will not work with pre-runner models. This model here is the Timbren Suspension Enhancement, part number TTORTUN4. These will provide up to 6,000 pounds of support, and these will work with our pre-runner models that have 4 springs per leaf spring on each side. Next we have the sumo springs, part number SSR-610-40. These will support up to 1,000 pounds of weight. Over to my left here, we have our easier options to install. These are your more basic options. They are an install once and forget about it option. There's no maintenance required. They just replace your factory bump stop on your truck, and you don't have to worry about doing any maintenance to them ever. Over to my right, we have a Firestone airbag option here, which, as you can see, it's a more complicated install. Everything that you see in this cart here is something that you would have to install in order for these to work. These do require a little bit of maintenance in the regards that you do have to monitor the air pressure in your airbags occasionally to make sure that they have the minimum pressure in them. If your load in your bed varies, or you tow different weights in a trailer and you would need something more adjustable, then you're looking more along the lines of an airbag solution like the Firestone kit here. The only downside you really have here is that it is a more complicated installation, but it does give you the flexibility of running a varying amount of air pressure in your airbags to help adjust for the amount of load that you have in the bed of your truck or a higher tongue weight trailer that you may be towing. If you have an uneven load in the bed of your truck and you need to level it out, you can do that with these compared to our bump stop replacement solutions that we have here as well. Now, if you look underneath the Tacoma that we have in here today, you can see one of our Timbren solutions that we have in place. As you can see, it just replaces the factory bump stop. Really simple and quick and easy installation there. There's really nothing to it. They do not affect your ride at all when you have no weight in the vehicle. The only time they come into play is when you have that extra weight in the bed of your truck or you're hooked up to a trailer with a heavy tongue weight. And that will help prevent your truck from sagging in the back and get rid of that awkward rake. It'll make much easier towing, better braking, and cause less tire wear in your vehicle. Now, the airbags are also nice in the regards that you could also add a compressor to the system and have controls inside the cab. So you would never even have to get out of the truck to do anything. You can just flip a switch inside the truck, add more air, or flip a switch down and you can take some air out. That's nice over the bump stop replacement solutions because there is no adjustment. It just is what it is. So if you're looking for a solution that gives you ultimate flexibility, if you're always having a changing load in the bed of your truck, or you're towing a trailer, or you're towing several different trailers with varying tongue weights, the airbags is obviously the way to go. Now, if you're towing just one trailer with a heavy tongue weight, or if you always have a constant load in the bed of your truck, such as a heavy toolbox, then the bump stops will probably be the way to go if you don't need that flexibility that the airbag solution offers you. And that completes our look at the best suspension enhancement options for the Toyota Tacoma.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.